Hello, this is Ling Chi, brush painting for beginners from Oriental Art Supply. Today's subject is a simple camellia. We're back to the basic to lead off for this coming month of our virtual office hours of line and shape. So I'm using our two beginners brush, Pre-Orchid Bamboo and Pre-Happy Dot. And I'm using ink only, our best bottle ink, and then I'm using our glue for the base of the wetting the brush. This will add a little bit transparency to the ink as well as for beginner to control the moisture. For beginning, I have a glue water, which is a dish, maybe 1 tablespoon of water with 1 drop of glue. And then I have a light ink, and then I have a straight ink. So the paper I'm using is our practice Xuan. So the shape I'm going to use is the Pre-Orchid Bamboo brush. The line I'm going to use our Pre-Happy Dot. So I'm loading my brush, wet my brush, loading my brush, blend it with some glue water, and then load the light ink, and then dip the tip with the dark ink, and then blend. So first stroke is a shape stroke. Then I lighten the brush a little. So then I'm going to use my line brush, Happy Dot, Pre-Happy Dot, to outline the stroke, make the shape a little bit more interesting. So then the same Pre-Happy Dot to do the center of the flower. Long line, short line, short line, long line, short line, long line. So one short, one long. Then I'm using the same brush to do the center of the dot. So that I finish my flower. Then I'm going to do a calyx to hold the flower. Stem. And now I'm going to use the same brush to do a leaf. So I'm using the pre-happy dot with some ink, medium ink on the side of the dark ink. So to shape this leaves. Back on the, so I want to make a thicker stem. So I'm back on my pre-orchid bamboo brush. And then there's some happy dot here to connect it. And then this, I finished the Camellia demonstration with ink and glue water on our practice Xuan. Happy painting. See you next time.